Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to view cookies in Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser and you can just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and go through the gear icon or the settings. Now here on the left side, you can just simply go for the privacy and security category. And over here, you will have an option site and shields settings. Click on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, view permissions and data stored across sites. And now from here, as you can see, you could filter it out by most visited, data stored, and the name. You should be able to see all of the website that have cookies on it. And you should be able to see the number and the data that it is consuming. And when I click on the drop down, as you can see over here, I should be able to see what is going on the data. And pretty much from here, you could also delete all the data based on your preferences, and you should be able to view it over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.